Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Joanne, and I'm here to help you make the most of your Excel experience. Our video tutorials provide easy-to-understand instructions on how to complete tasks in Excel. Today, we'll be talking about how to generate barcodes in Excel. Let's get started. Today, we'll learn how to make barcodes that are widely recognized and can be scanned with any barcode reader. You can easily create a barcode in Excel using a code made up of both numbers and letters. Let's examine how to complete this task by examining 3 examples. Firstly, to ensure that codes beginning with a 0 display correctly, make sure that the column containing those codes is formatted as text. Brackets need to be added to the existing code to ensure the successful conversion of data from a code to a barcode. This needs to be done in a specific manner. Here is how we need to do that. To begin, select the cell in which you would like to create a barcode. In this example, it is cell C3. Now, enter an equal sign, a quotation mark, an opening bracket, and a quotation mark again. Then, add an ampersand, followed by the cell coordinates of the code we are converting, which is B3 in this case. Type an ampersand symbol, followed by a quotation mark, now a closing bracket, and a quotation mark, and press Enter. You should now be done. This is the foundation on which the barcode will be generated. To apply the same function to the remaining rows, click and drag the bottom right corner of the cell containing the function and drag it down to the final row you want to copy the function to. We just need to make one more adjustment and we'll be finished. Let's switch the font in the barcode column to IDAutomationHC38M. We have successfully created a barcode as quickly and easily as that. This function is dynamic, meaning that any modifications made to the source code will be reflected in the barcode. For instance, if we alter the 0 in B3 to 8, the contents of column C will automatically update and generate a fresh barcode as a result of the modified code. Before you create barcodes, it is recommended that you check if you have the font that turns normal codes into barcodes installed on your computer. To ensure the font you need is available, it is recommended to review the font list first. If the font you need is not listed, you may need to install it. If this is the case, keep watching. We'll show you how to install the free IDAutomationHC38M barcode font quickly and easily. Visit the website IDAutomation.com, which contains the font and the information you need. In the description below, you'll find a link to the website. Use the Download Now button to download the font onto your computer. Once this is done, right-click the downloaded file to extract it, open the unzipped folder, and click on ID Automation, change code 39 free font to install the font. After installation, open Excel to check the font list, and you should be able to find ID Automation HC39M free version. Once you have finished these steps, you will be ready to start creating your barcodes. If you found this tutorial useful, please show your appreciation by liking the video. Doing so will help others find this tutorial so they can learn how to use Excel quickly and easily. Please also consider subscribing to the channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.